In this video, I will guide you how you can recover Twitter account without email or phone number in 2024. So first of all, start by opening up any browser that you are using and you just need to search for Twitter login. Now once you search for Twitter login, you just need to click on the phone, email or username and you just need to enter your particular username. Then what you need to do is to simply click on the forget password, and once you click on forget password, you will have couple of options, but you just need to tap on the option which is saying I don't have access to any of these, and then you just need to enter a new email address that you have access to and click on next button. Then you need to check your new email for a verification code from Twitter and enter it into your particular chat box in the next page, and then you can simply create a new password and simply confirm it. So that's the way of how you can recover Twitter account without email or phone number.